Long ago, in a peaceful green forest, lived a flock of pigeons. Among them was one old pigeon, wise, kind, and deeply respected by all. Each morning, they spread their wings and flew through the forest in search of food and water. And as the sun set, they always returned home together. One bright afternoon, while searching for food, they spotted a patch of white rice scattered across the forest floor. Excited, the younger pigeons swooped down, but the wise pigeon paused. How could there be rice here? He thought. It must be a trap. He tried to warn them, but hunger took over. The flock landed, and in an instant a net snapped shut around them. The pigeons struggled, wings flapping wildly, but the harder they pulled, the tighter the net became. From above, the old pigeon called out, "Stop struggling, work together, flap your wings as one." The flock steadied their wings, then flapped together. Slowly, the net lifted higher and higher until they soared into the open sky. They flew to the home of a kind little mouse who chewed through the ropes and set them free. The pigeons thanked the mouse, and the wise pigeon smiled. "Remember," he said softly, "unity is strength. When you stand together, no harm can defeat you."
Please like, share, and subscribe.